Mix931.com. Big thanks again to NetSpend, granting your Christmas wish 2022.
It's the morning show.
The morning show's the best.
With Chris Zito and Suzanne Lewis.
According to multiple videos, the easiest way to put up your Christmas lights right on the tree is to string them up vertically instead of going round and round.
Okay.
I gotta...
This is Detective Captain Leonard Copenrath of the Massachusetts State Police. The Massachusetts State Police have activated an Amber Alert system for an abducted child. Please be on the lookout for the following vehicle. Older model black Mitsubishi Lancer bearing Massachusetts registration 2LPT35. The vehicle has registration attached plates. The vehicle was last seen traveling west on Route 195 in the town of Somerset. Grayson Benson has been abducted and is in extreme danger. Grayson Benson was last seen at 11:20 a.m. in the area of 1143 Tucker Road in Dartmouth. Grayson Benson is described as a white male, aged 6 months. Also kidnapped was his mother, Hannah Benson. Grayson Benson was abducted by Jeremiah Cabral, described as a white male with dark hair, approximately 5 feet 10 inches tall. We need your help. Anyone with information is asked to call 911. Do not attempt to stop or apprehend the vehicle or suspect. Call 911 immediately. Thank you.